3 times x to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of x plus 10. How do we solve this equation? Solution. So we have 3x to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of x plus 10. First, recall that whenever we have a to the power of m plus n, this is the same thing as writing a to the power of m times a to the power of n by laws of indices. So we are going to apply these properties to this right hand side. So from here, we're going to have 3x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 10. This implies, so let's divide both sides of this equation by 3. So we're going to have 3x to the power of x over 3 equals 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 10 all over 3. Clearly, this guy cancels each other. So we have x to the power of x on the left side equals 3 to the power of x. Don't forget the power of 3 here is just 1. And by laws of indices, this power goes to the top. So we have 3 to the power of 10 minus 1. That is from these properties, let's say we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n. So we get a to the power of m minus n. So this implies that we have x to the power of x equals 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 9. Now, again, let's divide both sides of this equation by 3 to the power of x. So we get x raised by x over 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of x over 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 9. This guy could be written as x over 3 times x. So this equals, clearly, this guy also cancel each other. So we have 3 to the power of 9. So now let's consider these exponents. So suppose we multiply both exponents by 1 over 3. So we get x over 3 times x times 1 over 3 equals 3 to the power of 9 times 1 over 3. Very good. So this implies that x over 3 times x times 1 over 3, that is just x over 3 equals 3. 9 times 1 over 3, that is simply 3. Now let's recall this condition. A to the power of a to b equals b to the power of b. This condition is true if and only if a is equals to b. If you compare these two guys, you observe that our a is x over 3 and our b is 3. So from here we get x over 3 to be equals 3. When we cross multiply, so that means our value of x is equals to 9, which is the required solution. Now, how do we check if what we've done is right? Let's just manage here. So check. The original question says 3x to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of x plus 10. The value of x that we obtain is 9. So we are going to plug in the value of 9 here. So we're going to have 3 into 9 to the power of 9 equals 3 raised by 9 plus 10. We have 3 into this base could be written as 3 square times 9 equals 3 to the power of 9 plus 9, that is just 19. So we have 3 into 2 times 9, that is just 18. So we have 3 to the power of 18 equals 3 to the power of 19. Don't forget the power of 3 here is 1. So by laws of indices, we just add the power. So we get 3 to the power of 1 plus 18 equals 3 to the power of 19. Indeed, 3 to the power of 19 is equals to 3 to the power of 19, which satisfied our condition. That is, the left hand side is the same thing as the right hand side. Indeed, our value of x is equals to 9. So that's it.